Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Bosha. I am the product manager for low vision devices here at HumanWare. In this little tutorial, I will be talking about a new feature in version 1.1 of the Reveal 16. In the Reveal 16, it is now possible to use a shortcut to activate a line or blinds display. The shortcut is a short press on the lock button and the zoom button. The lock button is a second button from the left of the screen, and the zoom button is the big orange button in the center of the button display. So if I do a short press on both at the same time, a line will be displayed on the screen. If I do it a second time, blinds will appear on the screen. These lines or blinds are there temporarily. If you turn off and turn back on the device, these displays will be turned off or disabled. If you do it a third time, the shortcut a third time, the blinds will disappear and you're back to home base. If you'd like to have the line or blinds activated all the time, even after power off, power on, you have to go into the settings menu by holding it and pressing the contrast button, and the first item in the menu will be the lines and blinds. Thank you for listening.